Hello, I'm Jackie, and today I will be making a turtle red and gold necklace. And so people have been asking, and I thought I would try to do it today. So the first thing we have is, of course, we have our silver beads in our gold beads in two different sizes, and our red. And then I have some kind of wild, um, I don't know if you can see that, stone, and I'm going to uh, put a gold clasp. That's what that's for. And then this is really to hold the string so that it does not fall apart while we're doing that. So we're going to begin by figuring out which beads I want to put on here. I'm going to start with the turtle in the middle, and then I am going to figure out if I want to go with the bigger gold beads or if I want to go with the smaller gold beads. I don't know. Let's start out with the gold. And I'm going to do every other. So you play around with the patterns and figure out which one you want to go with. And so we're going to go with that. A couple of reds over here. Do two golds over here, and then we'll go with red. And we're just going to kind of play with this and see how it turns out. So I really want a gold here and a gold here. I don't know if I like that red. It's smaller than my gold beads, so let's just play around with it for a bit and kind of see what the pattern looks like once I really get it started. Okay. I want the gold and the red to kind of go all the way up the cord. And then I want a little pop of gold all the way along the way. I'm going to push that up. Let's see. I'm really not sure about the red. We're going to play around with it and just see what it looks like once I start stringing it up. So I use the 45-inch thread. I keep it in this bag because it unravels really easily. And so what you do is you pull the string, and then you just really pull off the part that you want, and then you just pull it out until you make it work, like that. So I'm going to start stringing this up, and we're going to see, make sure the pattern is right. The pattern has to be correct. I have another space here. I need to figure that out. So I actually have two of those on this side, so if they have two on this side. And then we're going to do gold beads in between, like that. I think I need the larger ones. So I'll do these two right here. And then we're going to string this up and see how it works with the smaller beads. Now I don't want this necklace to be too long, so I'm going to take a couple of these out for the end. And then we have to make sure that they're even on the same side. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that's perfect. And then we have gold, red, gold, red, gold, 2 red, gold. Need another red right here. And then we go bone, gold, bone, gold, red, gold. You got to do this just right, because otherwise you'll be taking all this apart after all your hard work. And then we'll take that little bead off right there. We don't need that right there. Okay, we're going to start stringing this up, and let's just see how it looks. This bead is made a little funny, so I'm going to get another one. Okay, so we're going to start stringing this up. I always turn my board sideways. That's my habit. And we're going to start stringing this up. Now the stringing up is a little slow. I'll probably time lapse this when I get ready to show it. Because necklaces are a little cumbersome to make, so they take a little bit longer. But the end results are normally pretty good, so we're going to go with that. So I am going to string as fast as I can. I don't know about the small red beads. We're going to see how it comes out. And I'll definitely have to time lapse this because it's time consuming. To see if it comes out exactly the way I want it. A lot of times when you're doing necklaces, you have to keep changing the beads around till you get it just the way you want it. I don't know the way I want it, so I'm going to play around with it and see how it goes. I did want the gold to be close to the gold turtle right here so that it will help to bring out that color of the turtle. So it's not going too bad. Not too bad, not too bad. When you're doing this, there's several options you can use with the cord. They have 45 and 60. I normally use the 60. It will hold a thicker bead, a heavier bead, I guess I should say. When you're doing a smaller necklace with the beads are a little lighter, and I'll go with the 45 or something even a little bit smaller than that. But when you put a lot of beads on here, you know it can get heavy. I'm almost there, almost there. Ooh. Coming along, and then I'll show you what it looks like, and then I will speed it up, pick it up, and you guys can see what it looks like, and then we'll look at the final product. So this is what it looks like. Let me turn my board around so you can see it better. You'll see it from that angle. And so that's what it looks like. Now I'm going to cut this off with my little favorite clipper over here. I always leave a little extra in case you need to cut more off. And then we also close it out with some smaller beads, just like to finish it off. We need one more red right here. And then we're going to finish it off with smaller gold beads. That's just to give it that finished look on both sides. The other thing I did not take off, let me get that, is you need to, you need to use the crimping beads because you need to crimp your necklace, crimp it to close it off so that it does not fall apart. And I usually use about 3 on each side. Alright, I'm going to close this off and then I will come back and show you the final product. Thank you.